natural shampoo. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Risa y Paz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today we are going to do a full wash day. I really am going to try very hard to make this a full quick wash day, but it's featuring all Melanin Haircare products, and I get to try the African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo. So I'm super excited to try this out. Along with that, I am going to be using the Twist and Define cream as well as the leave-in conditioner, and just to keep it really, you know, natural 85 Whitney style, we're going to use flaxseed gel with that twist and elongating cream for a wash and go today. So I've worn my hair in a bun all week, therefore I'm going to start off with a Pre-Poo using the multi-use leave-in conditioner. They say this could be a Pre-Poo and a leave-in conditioner. I really like how it feels on my hair when my hair is dry. It definitely helps me with the detangling process. So I'm going to start off first putting on some gloves because I do have acrylic nails on and I do not want my hair to get broken off. All right, I am back. Got my hair sectioned off. So like I said, I am going to Pre-Poo first. I'm just going to spray some water on this section. So I'm applying the multi-use leave-in conditioner, just a few pumps. All right, I can feel that just kind of smoothing through my hair, getting out all of the major tangles. Because alright guys, so now that I am all done pre-pooing, as you saw, now you guys is the time that I get to try the shampoo. Super excited to see what this is going to be like, and then I'm going to follow up with a deep conditioner, a super hydrating deep conditioner, my favorite. You've heard me talk about it, the Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. So I will be back. All right guys, so I'm back. Let me just say, she said this is not a tear-free formula, and let me tell you, my eyes burn, especially this one. This was a bad idea. So I had a little bit of a hard time getting a lather. I did re-wet my hair after I applied the shampoo. As you can see, getting some lather. If I was doing this in the shower, I'll get much more lather. So I was prepared for this, and I brought my spray bottle so I can show you guys this lather. And I'm gonna apply just a little bit more. I'm gonna apply it to my hand and just go in my scalp area, and really so you can see that suddiness. You see it coming through. It's definitely a natural shampoo. This does not feel very dry right now. My hair will really be able to tell once we rinse out the shampoo, but as of right now, I'm getting a good lather. I don't feel like it's stripping my hair. I got a lot of slip, and I'm even getting some like curl definition, which that's really interesting. Wasn't expecting that. I like the smell. It reminds me of my products that I make. I'm really trying to make sure I'm not getting it in my eyes. So yeah, overall, I love the minty feel. So I'm just gonna massage this in my scalp. Like I said, all right, I'm gonna rinse it out and let you know what I think about this. I'll be back. All right guys, so I'm back. I just rinsed out the shampoo. It was a challenge. I would not recommend using this shampoo like in a sink with your head upside down or in a tub, because when she says it's not tear-free, she means it. So yeah, overall, my hair does not feel super tangly. While it is definitely like a squeaky clean, I was able to get to my scalp a bit more and really make sure that my scalp was clean as well. So now I am just sectioning off my hair for my deep conditioning treatment that I'm about to apply. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fast forward through this part. You're gonna see me break this section up, so don't think this is it. Okay, so we are finally finished with the deep conditioning and detangling process. My hair was super tangled, like I already shared with you guys. So that took me a full hour. I would say I'm at 50-minute mark. Like, I'm about to sit under a shower cap. I plan to only sit under the shower cap for 30 minutes. The last 15 I would sit under a dryer because heat helps to activate the deep conditioner. Alrighty guys, I will be back after I deep condition and rinse out my deep conditioner. Then we will move on to my wash and go. Alright guys, so we are back. I have a middle part. We're going with a middle part wash and go today. I am going to be using my good old trusty flexi gel. This is pretty thick. I made it this morning and then just had it sitting in the refrigerator. And then we're going to be using this twist elongating cream. So when I'm making this wash and go, I'm going to go ahead and set my expectations now. I know that cream, it gives me somewhat of a hold on that, like after I dry it. So most of the time when I see it, it's not giving me a ton of definition. And the Flexi Gel always does give me a lot of definition. So this is definitely going to be a fluffier wash and go, a little bit more of a carefree, fluffy wash and go. Let's get it crack-a-lacking. You already know what it is. Go ahead and start from the back, work my way up to the front. So we're back to the front. As you can see, super fluffy. I hope I get definition. Y'all, this is a whole hour and a half later. My hair was a bit tangly. Let me just show you guys a close-up of what it's looking like. This side I did first. Yeah, I did this side first. It's already starting to shrink and go into its natural shape. I really look forward to seeing what my shape is like with this too, you know, with the middle part. Let me turn it around for you and show you the back. Definitely have movement. And now I'm going to sit under the dryer and I will show you all the final results. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you really quick. This is what my hair is looking like the next day. As you can see, there is some definition. My hair still is not fully dry. I sat under the dryer last night, but it wasn't mostly dry. It was dry on this outside part. So, and then when I look this side, it is definitely much fluffier. I got a little bit of product built up right here where I might have used a bit too much cream, but like if I open this up, you can see this is still wet, but the curls are actually coming through there. So yeah, this is what we're looking like. I don't know how long it's gonna last. Let me turn around for you. But yeah, got a little bit of movement, but this is what we're looking like. I'll come back once it's fully dry. Hey guys, so I am back and this is what we got, y'all. I showed you all a clip of what my hair looked like the next day. When I had the part in the middle, I decided to go with like this faux bang look, but yeah, this is not ideal results for, this is only the second day technically, and I already have a ball of frizz, like very little definition. As you can see, I have a lot of flakes, which you probably can't see, but I actually wore a black shirt so that you can see it. Yeah, I have a lot of flakes and yeah, not a lot of definition. So unfortunately, I know that I was going to get a fluffier wash and go, but this just did not work out for me. I might have used too much cream because having the gloves on while I'm applying the products on my hair makes it a little bit difficult to, you know, tell. So overall, this is the final result. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video so far. If you have, please be sure to like, give me a comment below. Let me know, have you tried this product combination? What did your results look like? Did you have frizz? Did you have flakes? I got it all. But yeah, thank you guys so much and I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Deuces.